Hello, everybody. Let's talk about the mistakes I made today in the stock market. I made two mistakes, but I was able to get out just in time and fast enough that I was able to make a small amount of profit. A small amount of profit. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, if you look at this chart right here, you're going to count 5 green candles. At this point, I consider that chasing. In other words, if I get in right now, I'm chasing. I'm hoping and I'm crossing my fingers that the price keeps going up. And usually, when you chase, you lose. Okay? So, how do you know you're not chasing? If you follow the RSI is telling you that the price is low, and you get in when the RSI is saying that the price is being oversold, then that's your hint. For some reason, I started chasing this and the RSI was at 60. And I knew I had a big possibility of the price turning around and keeping me trapped. So here's one. Like I said, I made two mistakes and the last one saved the day. So right about here, I went with 1,000 shares and I selected my brackets to give me or to set up a 50-cent profit. Right? If you don't understand what that means and you're new to this channel, you're new to these videos, but basically once I get in, I want to get 50-cent profit, meaning once the price goes up 50 cents from where I got in, my computer will sell my shares and I'm out. I'm done. So right about here, I was paying attention. This is something else that I mentioned last week on another video. Pay attention, make sure the price passes the 200 SMA. The 200 SMA is the red line that you see right now touching that green bar. I was under the impression that, hey, you know what? This candle is about to push, and most likely the next one will also keep going up, and then that's when I make money. However, for some reason, as you can see, the price had trouble getting away from the 200 SMA. I keep saying EMA, but I use the SMA. And here it is. This is where I got in. This is where I got in trouble. Right? The price was just not moving. And on top of that, if you look at the volume over here, the volume kind of stopped. It was very good when I got in, and then it froze. So at that point, I knew I was in trouble. I was like, nope. And look what happened after that. All right. So there, I got out, made $40. Small profit, but at least I got out green, right? Now, the next example is going to be with Roblox. I actually made money with Roblox, and I made the same mistake. I decided to chase. Why? Because I wasn't focused. I wasn't paying attention. So here it is. Come on. There, Roblox. Fortunately, I placed my trade and then I started recording, but I got in at 41.09 because I wanted to make sure we could pass the 41 number, and we did. Once we passed it, I got in. As soon as I got in, whoop, the price dropped. Look at that. I was down 300, 240, 190, 200. And luckily, the price actually started coming back. 40, I'm making 40, I'm making 0, I'm losing 100. I'm losing 300, 370, 360. And this is when I was like, I knew I was doing it wrong and I decided to go regardless. That's lack of discipline. But this happens because you are in front of your computer by yourself, and sometimes you think or you assume that things are going to happen. And yeah, mistakes can happen, will happen. when I got in here, the RSI was right above 60. It was around 61, 62. Mistake. That was a mistake. I made a mistake. As you can see, I was lucky that the price went up and I was able to basically get out. You can see the price was just pushing, but and then I decided to move my stop limit, which is this line right here, that line. This is where I'm supposed to get off, but the price just was just struggling, couldn't move up. So you can see he was saying, "Hey, you know what? I think we're going down," and I was ready to, close this transaction being red. But the level 2 was actually telling me other stuff, and that's why I stayed. But I didn't stay for too long because I was like, nope, this is just not going. Right? Eventually I said, nope. Right here. When the price dropped so fast, I kind of panicked. Oop, you see, it went from 41.21 to 41.15. I said, nope, let me out. Because I got in at 41.09. So I didn't want to turn my account red. And look what happened. Did you see that? I got in at 41.09. Look at the price right now. 40.77. And it dropped some more. So obviously, well, you can't see the RSI right now, but obviously at this point, the RSI was pointing down. And this is where I got serious. I focused. I waited for the RSI to say price is right below 30 or around 29, whatever. And that's when I got in. I thought the price was going to go back down to 40 because that's basically where we started when the market opened. Right around 40. That's where we started. And I thought price is going back down. Or the price might hit the 200 SMA, which is that red line, and it might bounce. And when I say bounce, I mean it'll probably go back up. That's exactly what it did. And that's how I was able to make money. I paid attention to this one. I was like, nope, not yet. Let me double check. Let me make sure. I selected 2,000 shares, and I use a 30-cent profit with my brackets. And right about here, I was like, I think the price is going up. Because the RSI was starting to turn around and saying, yep, I think the price is going to go right back up. Let me see if I can fast forward this stuff. Okay, there it is. So, as you can see, the price just went boop, boop, and it pushed up. And I said, yep, let's go. At the beginning, I was losing because that's usually how it works, right? Once I get in, the price drops. But RSI was very low, and it was a matter of seconds before the price would start going up. So this is the second bar, meaning second, minute 2. Minute 3. And this is weird because it got right where I was supposed to get off, and it did not sell my shares because I was only a few cents off. And minute 4. Boom. Done. So 737, right? 731 plus $40 that I made with Oxy. That was 771. That was the total amount of money that I made today. In total, I'm going to say maybe 10, 15 minutes the most. That's how long I was in the market. I was looking at charts for probably an hour, but my money was in the market for only 15 minutes. And I won today. I won because I noticed I was just monkeying around and I was placing trades at the wrong time for no reason, trying to chase, and that's how usually we get in trouble. Today I said, okay, hold on. Let me hunt. Let me wait for the RSI to, go down, and then take the chance. Take the chance. Just because the RSI is low does not mean that if you go, you're going to win. Especially in this market. We are in a bear market, which means price can drop $1, $2, $3, $5, $10 all day long. So don't assume that the price is going to go up. Every time I get in, I know I can lose. So if you can make money, if you can learn how to make money right now in the bear market, I'm pretty sure you're going to make money when the market turns. I guarantee you that. But you have to practice. You have to learn the business. All right, guys, I'm not going to make this video longer, but if you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, please like this mother. Share the video with other people. Maybe other people need to learn how to make extra cash or use their savings to grow instead of losing its value in a savings account. You need to learn this business before you put a lot of money in the stock market. All right, people. I will see you tomorrow. Happy trading tomorrow. And that's it. Bye-bye.